Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out events on the Bible application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on Events, and here you can either find events by enabling the application to have access to your location, and then several events can be discovered near you, or you can also type in a keyword into the search bar, and according to that keyword you are going to find a bunch of results and events. So tap on a relevant one that you might be interested in. Here you can check out the date, location, and if you would like to save it so that you can find it easier later on, tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, you can save this event once it starts, so tap on the locations and times to check out it on the map, and you can also watch it online if you would like to do so. So you will be able to find the link here, and as you tap on it you will be directed to a page where you can check it out. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.